Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Rivian Home Charging setup with Rivian Control step by step clearly. To activate your Rivian Home Charging setup using the Rivian Control app, first ensure that your vehicle is parked and in range of your Wi-Fi network. Open the Rivian Control app on your smartphone. Log into your Rivian account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the charging section of the app. Select the Home Charging Setup option. Tap on Activate Charging Station to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your home charger to the app. Ensure your home charging station is plugged into a power source and properly installed. When prompted, enter the network credentials for your home Wi-Fi. Confirm the connection settings in the app. The app will search for the nearest charging station. Once your home charger is detected, select it from the list presented. If prompted, enter any additional details required for setup. After confirming the setup, monitor the app for status updates on your charging station. Adjust any preferences for charging, such as peak hours or charging limits. Once configured, you should see a confirmation message indicating successful activation. At this point, your Rivian vehicle is ready for home charging. You can now plug in your vehicle and monitor charging progress via the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.